Hi, today we are going to learn division rule. In the previous class we learned multiplication rule. Okay, so the multiplication rule, the another name of multiplication rule is product rule. Okay, so in this today we are going to learn division rule. Okay, so using product rule we are going to learn division rule. Okay, so here 4 raised to 5 is equal to 4 raised to 2 into 4 raised to 3. Okay, so we in the previous class we learned the product rule. Okay, so we can write 4 raised to 5 is equal to 4 raised to 2 into 4 raised to 3. Then what do we get what do we get on dividing 4 raised to 5 by 4 raised to 2? 4 raised to 5 divided by 4 raised to 2. Using this product rule we get 4 raised to 3. Okay, 4 raised to 5 divided by 4 raised to 2 we get 4 raised to 3. Okay, then how do we get on dividing 5 raised to 7 by 5 raised to 3? 5 raised to 7 5 raised to 5 raised to 7 divided by 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 7 divided by 5 raised to 3. How do we get on dividing 5 raised to 7 divided by 5 raised to 3? Here we can write here 4 raised to 5. We write 4 raised to 5 equal to 4 raised to 2 into 4 raised to 3. Then 5 raised to 7 is equal to 5 raised to 3 into what? Here 4 raised to 2, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Here 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 4. Okay. Then what? 5 raised to 7 by 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 7 divided by 5 raised to 3 we get 5 raised to 4. Okay, 5 raised to 4. Okay, so from this we can understand the quotient rule or division rule. In the division rule we just subtract the exponents. Okay, 4 raised to 5 divided by 4 raised to 2 means here 5 minus 2 means 3, 4 raised to 3. And also here 5 raised to 7 divided by 5 raised to 3 means 5 raised to 7 minus 3, which means 5 raised to 4. Okay, so from this we reach a general principle, which means x raised to m is equal to x raised to n into x raised to m minus n. Okay, x raised to m equal to x raised to n into x raised to m minus n, which means and x raised to m divided by x raised to n we get x raised to m minus n. So this is our division rule. This is our division rule. For example, here we already discussed 5 raised to 7 is equal to 5 raised to, we can write 5 raised to 7 as 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 4. Here 5 raised to 7 means here 5 is x and m is 7. Okay, and x is 5, then n is 3 and x is 5 and then m minus n, which means 7 minus 3 is 4. That's why we write here m minus n. Okay, so 5 raised to 7 is equal to 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 4. And also x raised to m by n, which means this is x raised to m and this is x raised to n. 5 raised to 7 divided by 5 raised to 3 is equal to 5 raised to 4. Okay, 5 raised to 4. And using this equation, using this division rule, we are going to discuss some problems. Okay, are you ready? So the first question is, find find 8 raised to 23 divided by 8 raised to 16. Okay, 8 raised to 23 divided by 8 raised to 16. So here 8 raised to 23 means x raised to m and 8 raised to 60 means 8x raised to n, and the answer of this question is x raised to m minus n. We just subtract the exponent or powers. Okay, so 8 raised to 23 divided by 8 raised to 60 means 8 raised to 23 minus 16. So What do we get when we subtract 16 minus 23? We get 7. 8 raised to 7. Okay. 8 raised to 7. And the second question is, 2 by 3 all raised to 60 divided by 2 by 3 9. 2 by 3 9. So we get 2 by 3. So when we just subtract the powers 9 from 16, we get 2 by 3 all raised to 7. Okay. Okay, 2 by 3 all raised to 7. Okay. And the next question in page number 16, there is 2 questions. The first question is, what powers of 2 we get on dividing? What powers of 2 we get on dividing 2 raised to 5 by 2 raised to 3 in page number 16. 2 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 3. So the question is, what the power of 2 when we get when we divide 2 raised to 5 by 2 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 5 by 2 raised to 3 means 2 raised to 5 minus 3. We just subtract the exponents. 2 raised to 5 minus 3 means 2 raised to 2. Okay. 2 raised to 2, which means 4. Okay. 2 raised to 2 means 4. Okay. And the second question, what is 10 raised to 9 divided by 10 raised to 4? 10 raised to 9 divided by 10 raised to 4. Okay. So 10 raised to 9 divided by 10 raised to 4 means 10 all raised to 9 minus 4. So when we subtract the 4 from 9, we get 5. 10 raised to 5. 10 raised to 5. Okay. So in this topic, today we learned division rule, which means x raised to m divided by x raised to n equal to x raised to m minus n. Okay. The x raised to m is first number and x raised to n is second number. So x raised to m minus n is our answer. Okay. So using division rule, we can solve many problems. Okay. So I hope all of you understand. Thank you.